Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into something crucial, the top cyber threats you need to be aware of. This stuff can affect anyone, so stay with me. First up, malware. Malware includes viruses, worms, and trojans. It sneaks into your system and wreaks havoc. Imagine your computer being hijacked and turned against you. Scary, right? Always keep your antivirus updated. Next, phishing. This is a method where attackers trick you into giving up personal information. You might get an email that looks legit but is actually a trap. Double-check email addresses and never click suspicious link. Now let's talk about social engineering. This one's all about manipulation. Today, cyber criminals exploit human psychology to gain access to sensitive information. They might pose as tech support or even a trusted friend. Be skeptical and verify identities before sharing details. Finally, denial of service attacks, or DOS. Here, attackers flood a network with traffic, causing it to crash. It's like a digital traffic jam that brings everything to a halt. Businesses can suffer big time from this. So there you have it, malware, phishing, social engineering, and DOS attacks. Stay alert and protect yourself online. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay safe out there.